So, using the Nespresso coffee machine. First thing to do, right behind you, there are coffees, $2, or go ahead and get your own sleeves from Nespresso. When you get one of these, take the plastic ball, put it in the bin so we can recycle here. Now that you've got your pod, you want a cup, a mug this size or a little bigger if you're doing milk and cream or whatever added to it. So what you do, put the mug there, open up this lock, and actually before you do that, check to make sure you've got water. If not, you can take this out, open that up, you can dump the water, fill it with fresh water, put the cap back on, and then fit it back in. Turn the lock, open it up, it'll dump out the previous pod and I'll put it in there. Take yours, pop it in there, close shut firmly, turn this lock like that, and then press this button. You'll hear it wind up. And away it goes. Cream and milk are here. Bottom there. Got sugar there. And we've also got some coffee made just in case. And just let her go until she's done. Alright, that's it. Oh, and if you want to have an idea of selections, here they are. You can also see more at Nespresso.com.